Oh, my dear friends, please, I want to remind you again, keep on saying the Tehillim every day. As the Rabbi suggests, chapter 20, chapter 22, 69, 122, and 150 for the safety and security of our brothers in Eretz Yisrael, obviously, and around the entire world. Together with giving tzedakah and with the Dvar Torah, we will definitely celebrate, and celebrate very, very soon, celebrating what? The ultimate revelation of God, and it's the ultimate sunshine, the ray of shine of essence of God Himself that will be revealed in this world. When we're talking about sunshine, I'm not a climate expert, and I'm not going to start dealing with the whole climate issue, but one thing is certain, something most unusual is happening, at least here in Montreal. In February, to have like a spring-like weather, it feels more like Purim than February, is quite unusual. Now, why is this important? Why is this relevant? Because actually it says that before the coming of Mashiach, the entire weather pattern will be changed. And in particular, I want to focus on an event that happened just a few days ago and deserves attention. A most unusual white rainbow appeared in the north of Eretz Yisrael. And why is this relevant? So let's first go back to the rainbow in general. Parshas Noach, Torah tells us that God brought the flood, the world, not to destroy the world, but to purify the world. And therefore there was 40 days and nights of rain, 40 corresponding to the amount of water we need in a mikveh, in a ritual bath to purify the person, which is 40 sa'ah, the measurement, Talmudic measurement. So there was 40 days and 40 nights that purified, cleansed the entire world. But after that, God tells Noach and tells us that I promise that I will never again make another flood. And He says, as a sign for my covenant, as a sign for my promise, you will see a rainbow. Eskashti nosati ba'anan. I have placed a rainbow in the cloud. And this will be a sign of the covenant between myself and the earth. Now, what does rainbow have to do with flood? So many explanations. Don't want to go into it length in it right now. Rainbow has 7 colors, representing the 7 Noahic laws. When humanity follows the 7 Noahic laws, there is no need for floods. When can there be a rainbow is when there is only a very, very thin cloud. The rainbow is a reflection of the sun onto the water, and then it reflects into the cloud and gives us this colorful rainbow. Which from one side one can think that this is a sign that really we deserve a flood, but God promised, so He doesn't do it. But it is deeper than this. The fact that it only happens when there is a thin cloud is an indication that we're living in a time when there is great light. That the world has basically been purified. There is no thick cloud which is blocking the godly light onto this world. It's just a thin cloud. And we have to do a few more efforts to get rid of the cloud completely. So nothing should be blocking the sunshine. Nothing should be blocking the godly light into this world. But here is a Zohar. And the Zohar says the following. Amalei, that actually I should tell you where it is, in the first part of the Zohar in Parshas Noach, page 71, Daf Ayin Aleph. Amalei hahu yudoi, kach amali abo, kadav mistalek mi almo. This is what my father said before passing from this world. You should start expecting the coming of Mashiach when you will see a rainbow Miskashto begavne nehirin visnayela almo. In white color, translucent. A white rainbow, he says, is ukedein tzapelele Mashiach. Expect Mashiach to arrive. We just saw that. And as you see the picture which I post here. Now, we don't need signs that Mashiach is coming. We know that Mashiach is coming. But all these events, they're all part of the process. And therefore, this most unusual rainbow, because we're living the moment. So let us celebrate. Let us add more in Torah mitzvahs, another good deed. And we'll indeed not just have the rainbow, but we will have the ultimate revelation of Mashiach. And may this happen right now.